Hey everybody, thanks for tuning back into the channel, and today we're going to be working on my Argo XF 500. We've got fall now is upon us, so I want some extra protection for the UTV while I take it out on the trails. So we're going to be doing a factory roof install. You don't want to miss it, so hang tight. Well everybody, I got my Argo XF 500 in the garage and I'm ready to do a roof install. I decided to go with the optional roof in because I'll be using the UTV for considerably late fall riding into early winter riding. So having some extra protection overhead is going to be very vital to comfort and also to a little bit about safety as well, to keep you a little bit warmer. With Argo, they do offer an optional roof, also a windshield, which I will be doing later on, and a back window as well. So those are some extra comfort features that you could purchase optional on your Argo XF 500. So this gives a little bit more creature comfort. And so I decided to piece it together as I go with my ownership. So today's episode is just going to be about the install. It's going to be a simple install, a few clamps, a few tools that are needed, and again it's going to transform this into a little bit more of a comfort UTV that offers, you know, obviously protection from rain and sleet and some sun as well for bright sunny days. So let's get on the table. We'll show you what you get with this roof package. We'll show you the hardware kit that you get and some of the basic tools. This job shouldn't take more than a half an hour to do, and it'll be, I would say, very easy, beginner level easy. So yeah, we're gonna do that today. Let's jump on the table and get at this job. Well everybody, this is it. It's a one-piece roof. It's made out of like a phenolic hard plastic with grain finish. It doesn't come with too many hardware kits. There's going to be a few components from clamps to just basically screw in nut style anchor points, along with covers for the top roof. So the tools that are needed are going to be standard or a Phillips screwdriver, a box end wrench or a ratchet, and also a Allen key for the bracket style clamp-on system. So again, you're going to get a few components here. It's going to be everything from the anchor points, clamps, to the screws, and to the hardware kit that keeps the, I guess it would keep the nuts and the bolts a little bit protected. They're in a kind of a covered sleeve and for a better fit and finish. So we're going to go in and we're going to install this and get it going. So guys, let's put her on hyperspeed mode and see what she's like when she's all done. Alright everybody, I got the last screw that I'm anchoring down into place. It took a little bit of finesse to put it on, not too bad. If you find that the holes aren't lining up exactly, it gives you a little bit of leverage to, to drill some holes out to make them a little bit bigger to have a better alignment. But overall, this is basically it. You don't have to really anchor it too tight. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 anchor points. Once you put those into place, you're golden. This takes a little bit of a push down to get it in. There we go. She's all done. So if you want to take a look, we've got a little bit of a job here. So we've got all the anchor points on. And let's say I got one lid that kind of flew off of it, so I got to go search for it. But basically that's it. And then underneath, we've got a good fit and finish. So I'll give it another whirl on it in a second. Let me clean up, and we'll do the finishing look and fit and finish and my thoughts on it. Well, everybody, there it is, the nice and stylish roof on the XF 500 Argo UTV. It's definitely functional for sure. Looks like it'll be okay to do raindrops. I mean, I think it'll help better with the windshield just because that lip will drip a little bit as it goes down, but it does serve to be a little bit of a drip rail, and so hopefully it does function. I'll definitely let you know how it goes, but the fit and finish is really nice. Took it for a little bit of a ride, did not rattle or anything. Of course, I'll keep an eye on it, make sure that I retighten after, you know, a few usage of down the trail. But as you can see, it's got really good fit and finish. It looks stylish. Again, I can complement it with a back window as well for a lot extra protection, but for now I'm just going to go add in a front windshield, and then I may opt for a rear windshield next year. So far, full doors are not available for the XF 500 to my knowledge at this time filming this video, so you just got the cargo nets. But once the windshield's on, the cargo nets are on for most major UTV tasks and operations. It's probably just fine unless it's really bad weather, and then you really want to be out there anyway. So that's kind of where we're at with this. I just wanted to kind of give an update on the XF 500's latest install of the roof. I'll leave the part number down there, and if you have any questions, let me know. But anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in to Core Daddy Motorsports. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff. And yeah, we'll catch you really soon with the next adventure. So guys, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.